So I think they are doing the testing. You know, one of the CHO is doing the testing. So like we have donated some medicines at this hospital the last time, but like they have a disaster which happens for them to all their medicines was destroyed by the water. So like we come again to help them through a man from Germany called Christoph Bitzer, and also partner with a colleague at UK called Bintu Bangura.
It's a glucometer.
Okay, yeah, that is a glucometer machine. I think a very deprived community, you know, because people were coming to the hospital, you know, some of them have diabetes, but like if these machines are not around, they will just refer them. And those are the controlled drugs, injections. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's the glucometer machine.
Yes. Very good.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you very much. We appreciate you.
Yeah, the nurse are thanking the CHOs, and the nurses are busy.
Thank you very much. You are always in our memory. For your great work.
So I think they are finished up and with the machines. So now they are now doing the other boxes. We just brought part of the medicine that we brought the last time, and it's 7 of boxes. So like they are now doing the uncovering, try to know the various medicines that we came with, and the CHOs and the nurses. So we are right at the Kroo Bay Community Hospital. Yeah, this is the ringers and the amoxicillin tabs.
Oh, very good, very good. This is my fan.
Yeah,
This is Cipro
yeah, the
from
malaria.
Sassinta.
Yeah, Cipro.
Gentamicin injection.
Sassonet. Wow. Good.
So this is how the uncovering.
Paracetamol.
Okay. So how do you see the paracetamol?
It's good, it's good. The family of the girl. Wow.
Very good.
Let's go.
It's very special.